Hello there and welcome. I'm Ole Brøgger, and if you're new here, I would usually ask if I could earn you a subscription, but not today. I would rather have you go watch some of my other videos in the link up here, because this is a personal video about this channel and its future. A year ago, around this time, I almost had 1,000 subscribers, and I decided that I wanted to release a video every week. And I actually managed to do that. I have been releasing a video every week for a whole year and even a bit more. I can't keep up the pace of releasing a video every week anymore. It's very stressful. And I also have a family to take care of. I have a full-time job, and I have other spare time activities that I need to attend to. I even do Twitch, which I've cut back very much. On my Twitch channel, I'm not doing a ton of Dungeons & Dragons stuff. I do more Valorant, if you're familiar with that game. I play Valorant. I have 3D printed some miniatures from the game. I paint them on stream and play this agent and give it away to my subscribers. But in the future, I will only be able to do this once a month. But back to this channel, this is what it's all about. I'm actually putting more money into this channel than I'm getting out of it, and it's not feasible. I really enjoy doing these videos, and I wouldn't be doing it if I didn't enjoy it. I just don't have so much time to spend on making videos. And I also want to play games. I haven't played Dungeons & Dragons games for almost a year now. And I want to kick off my campaign. I'm almost done writing all the essentials, and I have almost all the terrain for building up everything. Now I just need a new D&D group. And I'm getting a D&D group together here in the fall, and I hope we can have a ton of fun and play on my new gaming table, which only have been used for a couple of one-shots and some casual gaming. And I really want to use my table for my campaign, because I've spent so much time building all my terrain, writing down stuff, building characters and all that. So I'm very excited about breaking in this table for a real campaign. And of course, we also need some more terrain, and I will keep you up to date with all of that. We have the cavern, cave and mine terrain I still have to finish up. And when that is done, I'm almost set to give it a go on my campaign. And I really hope this will work out for me. In the future, I will make 1 to 2 videos per month, and maybe sometimes there will be more videos, but this is what I have time to do now. Next week there won't be a video, and I used up my video buffer. I usually have 2 or 3 videos in my buffer, so that's what I'm behind, and now I'm actually running out. So next week there won't be a video because I have some surgery to be done in my foot, nothing serious. I just won't be able to make a video for a week or 2. But I will be back with more caves and mines. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I really appreciate you being here, and I will hope you'll stick around and watch some of my new videos when they come out. Goodbye for now.